Alright guys, welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well today. I do want to talk more about Bitcoin and crypto. Right, we know, for the past few days, for the past 2 days, okay, the market hasn't really been looking too good, right? Bitcoin has been dropping, Ethereum has been dropping, a lot of altcoins in the market have in fact been dropping, okay, lately, okay, we are in fact seeing a lot of pullbacks. So in today's video, I want to give you guys an update on what is happening with Bitcoin right now, because a couple of hours ago, we did actually see Bitcoin dropping further down to the downside. Okay, actually dumped even more. So I want to, show you guys what has been happening with Bitcoin, and I want to talk a bit more why, we are in fact seeing Bitcoin dumping and pretty much the entire crypto market. Okay, so let me just show you guys what is happening right now with Bitcoin. So yes, just clearly see we are in fact in the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and Bitcoin, okay, a couple of hours ago, right, yesterday we actually saw it dropping all the way down below $54,000, around 53,500. Okay, so yesterday we did actually see Bitcoin drop pretty significantly, right? It dropped even more yesterday, but today Bitcoin is slightly bouncing back up and is now holding at 56,600. Okay, so Bitcoin is slightly bouncing back up. You guys can just clearly see that from this pretty decent downtrend. You guys can just clearly see that we, for the past few days, like I told you guys, we you know are facing a fair few pullbacks happening for Bitcoin. Okay, but yeah, it's slightly bouncing back up right now at $56,000. And you guys can just clearly see for the past 24 hours, we are in fact seeing a fair few greens in the market today. Okay, everything is slowly, bouncing back up since, for the past 2 days. Everything has been in the reds. Okay, and everything has in fact been dumping. But today it seems like everything, okay, majority of altcoins, including Bitcoin today, are in fact gaining a bit more momentum, right? Everything is sort of bouncing back up and slightly, just slightly recovering, okay, from all the dumping that has been happening for the past 2 days, right? But yeah, you guys just clearly see the global crypto market cap now sitting at 2.07 trillion, and the market today is up overall 4%, over 4%. So for the past 24 hours, Bitcoin and Ethereum are in fact up over 4%. And a fair few altcoins are actually, bouncing back up. You guys can just clearly see for the past 24 hours, a lot of altcoins today actually are pumping. Okay, a lot of them over 10%. You guys can just clearly see that, right? Dogecoin, 12%, Toncoin, okay, 12% as well. Solana, 8%, right? BNB, okay, 6.7%. Shiba Inu, 15%, Avalanche, right, over 12%, Chainlink, 8%. So, yes, can just clearly see, a fair few altcoins are in fact pumping today, which is great to see because you just clearly see for the past week, 7 days, we are in fact seeing a lot of reds, right? And I just want to, quickly give you guys an update on this, the Fingrid Index. Okay, it's been a while since we have seen, the Fingrid Index this low at 26. So once again, it's in fear mode. Yesterday was in fear mode at 29, and last week was at 30 in fear mode, right? And it's funny because you just clearly see, last month we were in fact in extreme greed mode, sitting at a whopping 78, which is very, very high. And now today it's at 26, which is obviously in fear mode. So you guys can just clearly see a lot of people are in fact fearful right now. And I've been telling us many, many times, right? When others are fearful, we got to be the complete opposite and be greedy. While everyone else is panicking for no reason, everyone is panic selling, we should be doing, the complete opposite and buying more to accumulate more. Everything right now is a bargain. Understand that, guys. Everything right now is on sale, and I've been telling you guys many, many times. This is literally a once in a lifetime opportunity to buy Bitcoin at a cheap price, to buy Ethereum at a cheap price, and all these other altcoins. This is the best time right now to buy Bitcoin, and I can promise you guys this much. Okay, Bitcoin will be reaching new highs. once this year is over, 2024, Bitcoin will for sure be in a new high. I've been telling you that many times. I do see Bitcoin reaching at least 100K towards the end of this year in 2024, or close to 100K, right? Around 90K or over 90K for sure, right? So if you really think about it, buying Bitcoin right now, you're buying it for like 50% off, right? So buy Bitcoin, guys. This is obviously not financial advice, so always do your own research, but it's so cheap. Understand that. Bitcoin will eventually be reaching over 100K. Okay, it will. Okay, and we know a bull market's coming. It's going to be reaching your highs, 150, over 200Ks, even possibly even 300K. That's very possible as well. So while Bitcoin is still cheap, while Bitcoin is still below 100K, this is the best time right now to accumulate as much Bitcoins as you possibly can, right? So, like I told you guys, while everyone else is fearful, we got to be greedy. Okay, this is the best time right now to buy. Okay, it really, really is. So, the main reason, guys, okay, why Bitcoin is obviously dumping is pretty much of this. So, Mt. Gox is moving $2.71 billion of Bitcoins. Okay, so they are moving a whole bunch of Bitcoins. They are selling pretty much a whole bunch of Bitcoins as well. That's why we obviously see, we are in fact seeing a fair bit of, Bitcoins dumping. Okay, and actually, that's not just the only reason, guys. The German government is selling a whole bunch of Bitcoin. Okay, they are selling, millions of dollars worth of Bitcoins, guys. So German government is selling up to $175 million worth of Bitcoins. Okay, now you can clearly see. So here in the past 2 hours, the German government has moved 1,300 Bitcoins, which is equal to about $76 million to exchanges, deposits at Kraken, Bitstamp, and Coinbase. And I heard Binance as well, apparently, right? So they are moving, okay, the Bitcoins to these exchanges, and pretty much they are just dumping Bitcoin, right? And that's why, guys, okay, we are in fact seeing the price of Bitcoin absolutely collapsing for the past few days, right? So yes, the German government is selling a whole bunch of Bitcoin right now, okay, which is funny to me, you know what I mean? Okay, and this is actually a good thing, right? This is actually a good thing. They can sell the Bitcoins and just give it to the people that actually want to hold Bitcoin. Okay, so this is good in my opinion, right? They have paper hands. I don't know why the German government is even selling this amount of Bitcoins. That they are selling, thousands of Bitcoins, millions of dollars worth of Bitcoins, right? And that's why we have, in fact, been seeing Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin dropping, right, and dumping. So honestly, okay, I don't see this as a time to panic. Okay, I really, really don't, guys. Okay, it really, really isn't the time to panic. We know a bull run is coming. We are obviously about to enter, the next bull market. In fact, we are already in a bull market. And understand, when we are in a bull market, we obviously gonna have pullbacks. Okay, it's not just gonna shoot up, guys. There's gonna be days where we have pullbacks, like today, right? So understand, guys, in the next upcoming few months, 2024, and of course, next year, 2025, are in fact going to be some amazing years for Bitcoin and crypto. Understand that, guys. It's going to be some amazing times. Understand that. The bull run is not over. It hasn't even started yet, right? So understand, guys. Prepare yourselves for the next upcoming bull market. Accumulate now before it's actually too late, right? But yes, Bitcoin is down 9% today, the biggest single day fall in 320 days. Okay, and this was posted 2 days ago, right? So when Bitcoin started to drop, okay, it dropped, 9% in that single day, biggest single day drop since 320 days. Okay, so I understand, guys. Okay, this is nothing. When in doubt, zoom out, just like what this chart is in fact showing, right? And I can actually show you guys. Okay, if we go to the weekly time frame, we have nothing to be, panicked about or fearful about, right? You guys can just clearly see, right? When was this? October, right? October, last year, 2023, we saw Bitcoin sitting at, $27,000. And ever since October to where we are now, you guys can just clearly see this significant pump that Bitcoin did in fact form, right? You guys can just clearly see that. And we are still so high, sitting at $56,000. Again, the last time we seen Bitcoin at $56,000, where it is right now, was in February this year, right? February this year. Okay, and you also just clearly see, like, in my opinion, Bitcoin is still holding very strong. Okay, it really is. And if you really think about it, if we go to the daily time frame, like, Bitcoin is not too far off from $70,000. Like, it really isn't. Okay, I really do believe, okay, I don't know when, but once we actually see a bounce back up for Bitcoin, it's easily going to reach back up to its recent all-time highs and reaching a new high. Okay, it's all about patience here, guys. And honestly, I don't even want Bitcoin to, like, pump yet. You know what I mean? Because I want to buy more at a cheaper price. And honestly, I hope Bitcoin dumps more. I hope the German government, okay, sell more. And I'm pretty sure they will, right? So I hope Bitcoin does actually drop even more, because I wouldn't mind buying Bitcoin at these low prices, right? And I want to show you guys this chart right here, okay, just to give you guys a perspective that, since Bitcoin has in fact been dumping for the past, few days, okay, for the past like 2 days, I just want to show you guys a perspective from this chart that it is completely normal. Okay, it is actually normal to see days like this where we actually see Bitcoin dumping. Okay, it is completely normal. Like, for example, back in 2017, right? 2017, I know you guys can't see this, but I just want to show you guys. We saw Bitcoin, okay, dropping, 40%, 4 times, 43%, 40%, 40% right here, and 41%. Okay, and that was in fact during a bull run, a bull market, right? So you guys have to understand, we're gonna get days like this. Okay, it dropped even more. Right now it's at 25%. Can you imagine over 40%? Like, it was worse, right? So this is completely normal, guys. Okay, even for the bull market in 2021, you guys can clearly see 23%, 15%, 32%, 23%, and 26%, right? This is completely normal, guys, and that was during a bull market. And you guys can clearly see 2023 to 2024 where we are right now. Okay, we have seen 20%, 22%, right, and 25%, which is where we are in fact at right now, right? So understand, guys, dips, pullbacks, dumps, crashes, okay, red days are in fact completely normal. Okay, this is completely normal. We should not be panicking right now, guys. Okay, do not panic sell. Don't sell your Bitcoins. Okay, hold your Bitcoins, buy more Bitcoins and hold them, right, for long term. Okay, so that is that. Okay, this is completely normal, guys. Okay, pullbacks are normal. And Robert Kiyosaki has tweeted this out, and he tweeted this out 2 days ago, right? And he's talking about the prices of real estate, stocks, bonds, gold, silver, and the Bitcoin crash. And what's interesting is here, I'm not going to read all this, right? But he talks about all this stuff, and he says here at the bottom, Bitcoin easily to $10 million per coin. Okay, this is coming from Robert Kiyosaki. Okay, he tweeted this out. Okay, now, I've been telling you guys many times to accumulate at least one full Bitcoin, because one full Bitcoin will make you wealthy. You will obviously become a millionaire. And Robert Kiyosaki is saying, okay, and I'm not disagreeing with him, obviously. I'm agreeing with him. Okay, and I'm pretty sure we all can agree with Robert Kiyosaki. Okay, and we have seen many people predicting that we are going to see Bitcoin reaching, $10 million, $12 million, $15 million per coin one day, and it will happen. But he's saying it's easily going to $10 million per coin one day, and it will happen. Okay, I 100% agree with Robert Kiyosaki that one day, who knows when, but of course, long term, down in the future, we will in fact see Bitcoin at $10 million per coin, right? So that's why, guys, I've been telling you guys many times, ever since I started this YouTube channel, I've been telling you guys, I've been begging you guys to accumulate at least one full Bitcoin, because one full Bitcoin will change your life. Not just your life, okay, but your family, your future kids, and whatnot, right? So understand, guys, you will become very, very wealthy in the future. You will become a millionaire in the future if you simply just hold one Bitcoin, accumulate one full Bitcoin. Okay, and it's going to be extremely rare to see someone owning one full Bitcoin in the future. Like nowadays, okay, in 2024, okay, this year, this time, it's sort of rare to see someone owning one full Bitcoin. It's sort of rare, you know what I mean? But down in the future, I want to say 10 years from now, a decade from now, it's going to be extremely rare, right? So if you're watching this video right now, please own slash accumulate one full Bitcoin, okay? So that's that. But before I end today's video, I just want to quickly give you guys an update on this, the Bitcoin monthly returns, and we are down over 10% so far. We are almost 1 week into this month. We're only 6 days into this month, okay? And Bitcoin is already down over 10%. I mean, who knows? This could switch up because I've been telling guys, usually July is a pretty bullish month for Bitcoin. But this time around, okay, for 2024, for this month of July, it's not looking too good so far, right, for this month. So we will see. But so far, we are down over 10%. But anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. I will, obviously keep you guys updated on what's going to be, happening with Bitcoin. We will see if Bitcoin can hold this support level. Well, there's no, I take that back. There's no support level right now, okay? We're not seeing huge support levels right now for Bitcoin, but we are in fact seeing a slight bounce back up. You guys just can see that from this downtrend, right? So we will see if Bitcoin can eventually continue to bounce back up or if it will continue to drop further down to the downside, because who knows if the German government is going to be, selling more Bitcoin. We will see. I will obviously, keep you guys updated. Okay, so stay tuned for that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Don't panic. Okay, stay focused. Buy more Bitcoin. Okay, this is all FUD. Okay, and don't be scared or anything like that, right? Take your mind off Bitcoin and crypto if you have to, right? If you are panicking or you don't know what to do, just take your mind off it. But I am telling us right now, do not sell that. You don't press that sell button, okay? Because you will regret it later on, okay? Just don't panic, just relax. This is completely normal. In fact, we should just accumulate more and buy more. Okay, that's all I can really say. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.